Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to try out the OXILAM M55 LED light. Come on, let's go. All right, so again, these are the OXILAM M5S LED light, and they're available for purchase on Amazon.com. If you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description. So these are the H11 series. So they're going to be the same as H16 or H8. So yeah, so look in the box here. Great packaging on this one. This one originally came with the plastic, so I just remove it just to avoid any reflection. So looking here in the back, so light source LED, color temp 6500 Kelvin. Okay, IP rating is IP67. Their operating temperature is -40 Fahrenheit to 176 Fahrenheit. They're made of aviation aluminum. It's also nice here that they have an after sales mail. Other than the US, they have a Japanese after sales mail or email. Yeah, so that's nice. I rarely see those that they have a specific one for Japan, especially if they're being sold here in the US, but that's nice. All right, so let's check what's inside. Okay, so first we have a user manual in here. Nice that there's gloves in here. So with these gloves, basically this will help if you're removing some halogen lights from your car. This will help you basically to avoid touching the glass on those halogen bulbs, okay? Because we want to avoid that, especially if you're planning on using those halogen bulbs again as a spare, okay? Uh, in case that you accidentally touch those glass, make sure to wipe them with some isopropyl alcohol and let them dry, and do not touch those glass again before installing them again on your fog light housing or headlight housing. All right, because they will burn. Sometimes they can explode inside of the housing, so we don't want that. It happened to me back in the days, back in 2007 on my Nissan Sentra. I have a bulb basically exploded, so it shattered inside, so all of the glass are inside, so I have to remove the whole housing and basically vacuum the glass out. All right, so just be careful. So these lights, they look nice. Color wise, they look nice. I like the design, especially the heat sink. So let's pull one out. They're heavy. Okay, so they are heavy, they feel chunky. All right, so with this one, means a lot of aluminum has been used on this particular bulb, which will help on the heat dissipation of this particular bulb. So with this, they use 6 LED chips on one side and another 6 on the other side. So total of 12 bulbs, LED chips on this particular bulb. Okay, so the gasket on this one, or this o-ring, it's nice. Yeah, so this will definitely help out on sealing. Yeah, this will definitely help out on sealing the elements out of the housing, so that's nice. And then the fan is here on top. If you can see that there's a fan in there, that's nice. That will help on dissipating the heat. Okay, so it has this vent and grills in here. So the controller, the LED controller, is built in on the bulbs. All right, so there's no wires dangling out, so it's a nice design. All right, So let's see here. So again, these are plug and play. You shouldn't have any issues. Never had issues on my RAV4 installing aftermarket LED. So they always work well. No flickering, nothing like that. But yeah, so overall, this looks nice. So we just have to test them on the road. So we're gonna go in the car and I'll show you the RAV4. All right. All right. So we're going to install it on my RAV4. So as I mentioned earlier, again, these are gonna be on the fog light. So as you see here, I have a yellow film lens. So these are from LaminX, and they're very nice. Okay, so this will affect some of the output, but still gonna have a great output. All right, so the light will still work well even with this film. So I'm not gonna show you an install video of this M55 LED lights. I've made a lot of install videos. I'm just gonna put the link on the description below. So yeah, so we're gonna go on the road after I install them, and I'll show you how this LED light performs at night. All right,